Well, if you're going to talk about what MediaBeacon does in a few sentences, you'd first probably start by saying, we make software. Then they go, what kind? And then you go, digital asset management software. That's what we make here. And then they might go, I've never heard of that. What is that?
MediaBeacon is a fun, entrepreneurial, innovative software organization that pairs that with the backing of a Fortune 150 company in Danaher.
Every day is a challenge, and every day I learn something new. There's never a dull moment. There's always something new and exciting happening, whether it's with a new customer or a new associate internally.
In a world where digital assets are created at a really fast rate, we enable our customers to really manage some of that chaos, to make sure all the content they are creating is accessible by everyone in the enterprise. And it allows our customers to go to market in a much faster way than they do right now.
It's about helping customers with solutions and services that help them to build one single source of truth for digital media.
It's about identifying how your content, how your information is going to move throughout your organization. So think of it as that digital foundation and the capabilities of understanding best practices, the understanding of your process, who can help you with that, and the right tools at the right time to help solve the problem.
It's not about how we are going to digitize whatever we do, but also how do we ensure that the connection between digital and physical is there.
The consumer connection of it is what really differentiates us. When we get down to the nitty-gritty of that end consumer that we can actually deliver our product to, we're actually enabling them to access assets that they never would have been able to find previously.
The best companies are market-driven in how they form their roadmap. So we take influence from a variety of areas, primarily voice of the customer. That's going to be from daily interactions, feedback from our commercial team, customer care team, as well as a series of on-site sessions that we perform where we go out to the customer site. We want to meet with them in their environment. We want to talk with their decision makers, their leadership, and at times, and almost more importantly, the end user that is interacting with and using MediaBeacon.
I think it means that you can't really be, pure technology anymore. You have to understand the users that you're selling to. Previously, it was really much more about understanding just how to build a good software application, but you can't do that without understanding the users.
Because what actually goes on is someone may have a question and you answer it, and they have another question and you answer, and you might actually go, wait, what's the overall goal they're trying to do? So when we actually go connect with them and just figure out, okay, what are you looking to achieve here? That helps us head off a lot of questions at the pass. They see we care, we know our product, and we help them do it the best way.
In reality, our biggest competitor isn't necessarily a pure play DAM player. The competitor is really a customer who decides to either do nothing or to go along with a solution that isn't as good as it could be. And where we really thrive is that we can search at scale. Our technology is still the best, but the best team wins too.
At the end of the day, we don't have a business without customers. Our existing customers are our best references in the marketplace. It all starts with how the customers are engaged with our products on a day-to-day basis. How are they engaged with our teams? How are we helping them meet their vision not only in year 1, but year 2 and year 3? We don't just sell you a product and go away. We're in a market in which we sell you a product, it becomes a critical part of your marketing operation, and we look to help you expand that over time to give you better access to ultimately brands to their consumers. We're only as good as our happiest customer. Or, put it a different way, actually we're only as good as our most disappointed customer. And if we can get everybody up to, the point at which they're truly happy with us, think about what that unlocks from a partnership standpoint. You spend less time talking about how we do what we should be doing on a day-to-day basis and more time talking about how do we both get to where we want to be in 3 years and how do we do that together.